So down here in Dulwich in southeast London, this is just an update video of our project we've been currently working on for around about the last 4 weeks. So what we've did on this project so far was brick cleaned all of the brickwork back to its natural colour, cut out and replaced all of the damaged bricks with matching imperial bricks, repointed all of the brickwork in a combination of tuck pointing style on all of the red features and archwork throughout the building, and then a flush pointing on all the London stock brickwork. So I'm just going to give you a close-up of how everything's looking now. Come out really well. Customers over the moon. Detail on all of the work as always looks absolutely fantastic now that all of the archwork's all been tuck pointed. So we've got a decoration team starting next week to do all of the woodwork, stonework, front and back of the house. Got some carpentry work to do as well here on the front and the back of the house. I'm just going to give you a little close-up of how everything's now looking. Everything's drying out really well. So I'll just give you a close-up on the flush pointing. So as you can see, dried out really well. Perfect finish to the brickwork. Like I say, all of the arches all tuck pointed now, really making everything pop and stand out. Like I say, all of this stonework now is all going to be redecorated, get all of this loose flaky paint off, all of the woodwork all going to be done, all of this stonework. Show you a bit upstairs as well, all of the red features and all of the detail work's all been done. So, as you can see, all the detail, the double stopping looks really good. All of the decorative features throughout. Customers are really happy with how everything's come out here. Honestly, in person looks incredible. So looking forward to getting the woodwork and the decoration started next. So placing a lot of this timber, new spindles are going to be put on, same out the back, all of the gables are rotten as well. But as you can see, the detail first class as always. So yeah, just a little update video of how we're getting on here, and I'll show you some more progress in the next probably couple of weeks once we get the decoration work all done. So if you do like the look at this project and you'd like a free quotation for any of our services that we're offering, please give us a call, get in contact, and we'd be more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries that you do have. Thank you very much.